A tough client doesn't have to mean a tough day. Let's turn setbacks into comebacks and learn how to bounce back after a negative client experience. Let's tackle a topic that every photographer will face at some point: negative client experiences. Whether it's miscommunication, unrealistic expectations, or just a clash of personalities, dealing with difficult clients can be so disheartening. But how you handle these situations can make all the difference in your confidence and in your business. When you face a negative client experience, it's important to have a process in place to handle it with professionalism, but also a clear mind. I want to show you a step-by-step approach to bounce back from a negative client experience as quickly as possible. The first step, look at feedback as a gift. The first step is to shift your mindset. Start by remembering that feedback, even negative feedback, is a gift. There's always something to learn, even if the feedback stings or feels unfair. Instead of seeing it as an attack, approach it as an opportunity to improve your client experience, communication, or even your processes. Once you adopt this mindset, you're in a better place to respond productively. Second, give yourself space and grace. Before reacting, give yourself the space and grace to process the situation. It's easy to get defensive when emotions are high, but responding right away can lead to more misunderstandings. Take a step back. Allow yourself time to cool off and think clearly. This pause will help you separate your emotional response from the facts and prevent knee-jerk reactions. Third step, create a list I call facts over feelings. Once you've given yourself space, sit down and create a list that breaks down the situation based on facts, not your feelings. What actually happened? What did the client say or do? What did you say or do? Sticking to the facts will help you view the situation more objectively and keep you from getting overwhelmed by emotions. It also ensures that when you respond to the client, your message is clear and focused on the issue at hand. Fourth step, always respond to the client with a solution focused. Now that you've assessed the situation and gathered the facts, it's time to respond. Always approach your response with a solution-focused mindset. Acknowledge their concerns. Offer constructive steps to resolve the issue. This not only shows the client that you care, but also reinforces your professionalism. Focus on how you can make things right or clarify any miscommunications. Clients appreciate when you take responsibility and actively work toward a solution. Finally, after the situation has been resolved, reflect on what you can learn from it. What adjustments can you make in your business to prevent a similar issue in the future? Maybe it's clear communication up front, setting better boundaries, or fine-tuning your workflow. Each negative experience is an opportunity to improve how you handle clients and refine your processes for long-term success. Negative client experiences are inevitable, but they don't have to derail your confidence or your business. By giving yourself space and grace to think clearly and calmly, receiving all feedback as a gift, and by responding professionally with a solution-focused mindset, you can turn setbacks into opportunities for growth. Remember, every photographer goes through this. You're not alone. You're more resilient than you think. Thanks for watching.